Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn Python with Pythoneer. Myself Vishab Sood, and today we are going to learn Python modules. So if I talk about the introduction, a Python module is a file containing Python definition and statement. A module can define functions, classes and variables. A module can also include runnable code. Grouping related code into a module makes the code easier to understand and use. It also makes the code logical organized. That means it is the bundles of Python definitions and statement, which includes function, classes, and variables. Now the part comes, what are the different types of the modules? There are basically two types of modules. One is built-in modules that are automatically built in the Python framework, and we have to include in our program or the code we are going to write. Some of the examples are modules like OS, Sys, Math, and Datetime. Second one is custom modules. Modules that are made by users as per their custom requirements and structures. In custom modules, user can create their own functions as well as the variables. That means the user, the developer who is writing the Python program can make their own modules as well as their statements and the functions and can call those modules in their programs. Now the comes advantage of modules. First one is reusability. Working with modules makes the code reusability a reality. That means a different module can be reused in many locations. Simplicity. Module makes the program simple and easy to use, and scoping means that we can limit the scope of the function where it is being used. Now there is a part comes listing of all modules. I will go to Visual Studio Code and will show you how we can make the listing of modules. So if you want to see that what are the modules that we have included our Python version, for that we can add import package util, and by using the for modules we can use for module in package util itr modules and print module name. So if I write this, let me clear the, if I run it, you see it is just showing the different modules that are included in our Python version that we have. So different as per the version of the Python, we can get the list here. Next, Python import from module. So how we can use the functions in our programs from the inbuilt modules. So I will take the example of math module. So let me, for importing the module, the statement is import module, import math, module name. I will write print math dot ceiling function, and if I write 4.9, then, and if I save it, I will run it, it will give you the output. Let me clear for more. So if I run it again, and it is giving you the output as a 5. So cell is the upper part, and if I write another function like another function that is defined in this, so if I write the factorial function in the math and I write factorial of 6 or 5, and if I run it, it will give you the output of 120. So see, we have added math as a module and we have used. So there are different ways. So it will include all the functions in the math. Sometimes there are requirement that we have to use only particular functions. So how we can write that? From math import factorial. So I will write print factorial bracket 5 and it will give the same output like 120. So in this case, we have used math and only imported factorial function. So it will saving our memory as well as the efforts. So now there are different terms that how we can import modules from another folder in Python. There are two different ways using syspath. It is built-in variable within the Python sys module. It contains the list of directory that an interpreter will search, and that I will going to make another video for defining syspath as well as Python path that are used to import the modules from another folder. Now the function comes advantages. What are the advantages of modular programming? Code is easier to read, code is easier to test, reusability without bloat, single source of faster fixes and easier lower risk updates. The main one is code is easier to read, code is easier to test, and definitely code is easier to maintain. Now if I go for the summary, so in by going this to short tutorial, you will able to understand that how Python import statement works and how the Python path environment variable and syspath affect import. Thank you.